Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to book a ride on Poparide. For this, open the Poparide application or visit the website. Enter your region, destination to park your time in the search bar. Click on search. Browse through the available trips that match your criteria. Click on any trip to view more information. Check the driver's profile, pick up and drop off points, and any stops along the way. Here you can submit a booking request which the driver can approve or decline. If the driver is available, your seat is automatically confirmed upon payment. Provide your payment details. Poparide will place a pre-authorization on your card. For instant book trips, payment is processed immediately. Once the drivers approve your request, you will receive a confirmation. Now, communicate with your driver through the in-app messaging system to coordinate any final details. Ensure you are on time at the designated pickup location. That's all. If this video helps, go ahead and subscribe.